Good morning students. Welcome to biology class. And today's class we are going to see the activity of observing the cells from onion. We already discussed about that in the last class. Orally we discussed about the activity. We can see the cells with the help of the onion under the microscope. This is the microscope. And next, who discovered the cell? The cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. And who discovered the microscope? Robert Brown. Yes, they only the scientists created, and they concluded that something was there in our body to organize and to grow and to function everything in our body. That is nothing but the cell. And that is only the unit of life to formation all the organisms, to function all the cells in our body, to do the work by a human being or any living organism, plants, animals, everything. The cell is the basic unit of life. That we already discussed in the last classes, and the today's session only the activity. In the last class we already discussed about the differences between hypotonic solution and hypertonic solution. We already discussed, and today's class we are going to discuss about the observing the cells from the onion. Yes. Activity. Observing the cell from the onion. Okay. And next, aim. Prove the cells in the onion. And what are the materials we needed? Materials. First, we need one onion, microscope, matchbox, and next, watch glass, empty slide, and knife, and iodine solution, alcohol, water, and glue means gum, and we need one cover slip. These are the materials we needed. When we are going to start the experiment, we first discussed about the materials. I am going to take the one onion. This is full onion, and this is the watch glass. This was the empty slide, and one knife, and matchbox, and iodine solution, and water, and this is the microscope. Okay. When we started into the experiment, first little brief explanation about the microscope. This was the eyepiece, these are the lenses, and this was the base. These two are the cover slips to keep the slide. This is the hand, this is the coarse adjustment, this is the fine adjustment, and this is the mirror. Okay, this was the mirror. This was the feet to base. Okay, this is about the microscope, and these lenses are 40x, 100x and 10x. Yes. We will enter into the procedure. Procedure. What we need to do? Take one full onion and cut it into 2 pieces. Yes. Remove one clove from the onion. Yes. This is the inside clove. Don't keep anywhere. The dust will be absorbed. And now I am going to be pour some water in the watch glass. Why? Because to observe the cells clearly, when you remove the onion clove, it will be dry to the room temperature. That's why I will be kept this clove in a water. Now I want to take a thin layer from this onion piece. How I will be removed? This was the thin layer. This thin layer I am going to be kept in a water. Okay now? From inside also we can get the layer. This was the inside layer. Now see here children. This was the inside layer. I kept it in the water. Yes. Now I am going to be take a slide. Just clean the slide properly with the help of alcohol, and after place it on a dust. With the help of the knife, I am going to take the small piece of onion and place it on a slide. Just you should spread it neatly. Be careful not to harm any cell present here. You should spread it as a thin layer. Now you should see I spread it as a thin layer. Now kept it aside for some time and just add iodine solution. Before adding iodine solution, I am going to be, these cells will be dried after some time. Not to dry, it needs to be attached to the slide. We need to be passed the slide under the fire. How? We will see now. Just fire it. If you are having a candle, we can do that. Now I passed it. Just slide. Okay. Now the water, everything will be evaporated. Yes, no? Yes. After this, I am going to be add the iodine solution on the slide. Only 2 drops is enough. Iodine solution or methyl orange, any saffron color or anything, we can be used. Now you are seeing the color of the slide turns into orange color. Yes. Kept it aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you just rinse the slide with the help of water. Rinse means water it. Why? Because the more glue is there, we cannot see the cells. That's why I am doing this. Now kept it aside for 10 minutes to dry the slide. After that, we just add a cover slip on it with the help of a glue, and you can kept it under the microscope. The help of the two clips, we can observe it with the help of eyepiece, and you just adjusted your lenses where the sunlight will fall. Yes. And now what structure I observed under the microscope? I observed the structure of honeycomb cells. This structure was I observed under the microscope. And you people will be seen under the microscope with the help of only glue. Why? Because the cells are very transparent and they cannot be exit any color. That's why we are going to be add methylene glue or iodine solution to observe the cells under the microscope. And when we are observing any viruses, infection, pus under the microscope, we need to be cover the cover slip. Without that, the cells will be attached to your faces and it may causes the infection. That's why when we are preparing a slide by ourselves, we need to be covered with the cover slip on the cells and observing under the microscope. And what are the precautions we need to be take when we are performing these experiments? You need to be very careful with the help of knife, and when we are removing the thin layer of the onion cells, it should be very clean and your hands should be very hygienic. Why? Because if any dust will be there, that cells also not appear properly. That's why you should be cleaned it properly when you are removing the onion thin layer. And next, the slides should be cleaned it with alcohol. Two sides you should be cleaned with alcohol and dried. After only you should start the experiment. And when we are firing time, not to get too dark for the slide, just be attached to the slide is enough. And after that, don't be use excess of iodine solution. If we will use excess of iodine solution, or when we are using more water, at the time the cells will be the cell layer of the onion will be washed with water. Be careful when you people are doing that. And when we are observing the microscope, this is the coarse lenses. It will be zoomed inside or outside. It will be zoomed, and you should be very careful. There is a hole between the base and the condenser. When you will be moving more into the deep inside of the cell, the slide will be may broken also. That is the precautions I am going to be tell to you. And today's session we discussed about the activity. That activity is observing the onions, observing the cells from the onion with the help of microscope. And which structure we observed under the microscope? Honeycomb structure. These will be a thick color. The shell will be the benzyl will be like shell. No, it will look like a thick color, and inside it will be like a pale color. Why the pale color we used iodine? No, for that only. Why? Because around it will be a thick color. Around the cells are having cell walls. That's why it will be look like a thick color. Inside the cytoplasm, the fluid only will be present. That's why it will look like a light color of iodine solution. Yes, children, today's activity completed, and finally we concluded and we observed the cell from the onion. Yes, and precautions also we discussed, and like this only the scientist Robert Hooke, he discovered the cells from the bark plant, orchid plant, and so many scientists discovered from different plant sources, and they observed the cells that all the plant cell structures are same or not, and they discovered from the animals also. They collected the saliva from our mouth and they checked it whether the shape of the cells are same or not, every cells are having the same organelles or not. Like this, the researchers and the scientists concluded that the cell is only the basic unit of life. That only we discussed in the first lesson, that is the fundamental unit of life. Yes, children, thank you.